Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best face moisturizers that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Roche-Posay Double Repair Moisturizer. Get healthy-looking skin with Roche-Posay Double Repair Moisturizer. Dermatologist recommended ceramide 3, niacinamide, glycerin, and prebiotic thermal water work together to repair your natural skin barrier and provide up to 48-hour hydration. The lightweight cream texture absorbs quickly, leaving you feeling comfortable. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive, this moisturizer is fragrance-free, paraben-free, oil-free, alcohol-free, and non-comedogenic. Ceramide 3 helps retain moisture and maintain a healthy skin barrier. Niacinamide restores your skin's moisture barrier and fades skin discolorations. Glycerin hydrates your skin for a healthy, youthful glow. Moving on, at number 4, we have the CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion is a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer designed to be used as the last step in an evening skincare routine. It contains niacinamide to help calm the skin and uses MVE technology to deliver hydration throughout the night. It also contains hyaluronic acid to help retain skin's moisture. It is fragrance-free, paraben-free, oil-free, non-comedogenic, and allergy-tested. Customers have found it to be light, non-greasy, and leaving their face radiant and soft. It is moisturizing, and the shininess tends to fade as it dries. At number 3, we have the CeraVe SPF 30 Facial Moisturizer. Protect and hydrate your skin with CeraVe SPF 30 Facial Moisturizer. Its microfine zinc oxide sunscreen provides broad-spectrum UVA/UVB protection. It spreads easily, absorbs quickly, and leaves a non-greasy finish. Use it as the last step in your morning skincare routine after other products have been absorbed. This oil-free day cream contains hyaluronic acid to retain skin's moisture and niacinamide to help calm skin. Its MVE technology delivers hydration throughout the day. Moreover, it contains 3 essential ceramides that help restore and maintain the skin's natural barrier. Recommended by dermatologists, it is suitable for all skin types, including dry, sensitive, oily, and acne-prone skin. At number 2, we have the CeraVe Ultra-Light Gel. CeraVe Ultra-Light Gel Moisturizer is a water-based facial moisturizer that provides immediate and long-lasting hydration while helping to maintain the skin's protective barrier. This gel moisturizer is suitable for all skin types and has a weightless feel on the skin. It is fragrance-free, oil-free, paraben-free, and non-comedogenic, making it ideal for everyday use. The gel formula is fast-absorbing and glides onto the skin easily, leaving it feeling refreshed and moisturized. With the power of 3 essential ceramides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid, this moisturizer helps to restore and maintain the skin's natural barrier. Developed with dermatologists, CeraVe Ultra-Light Gel Moisturizer is a trusted choice for those looking for a lightweight and effective hydrating solution. And finally, at number 1, we have the Neutrogena Fragrance-Free Daily Facial Moisturizer. Neutrogena Fragrance-Free Moisturizer is a daily facial moisturizer specifically designed for sensitive and reactive skin. With its multivitamin complex, this moisturizer helps support the skin's dynamic barrier without clogging pores. It conditions the skin and fights daily environmental aggressors, making it suitable for those with red, tight, dry, or uncomfortable skin. The formula contains vitamin B3, provitamin B5, and vitamin E to nourish and protect the skin. This fragrance-free moisturizer is also free of parabens, phthalates, and dyes. Dermatologist recommended, it is an essential part of your sensitive skincare routine. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.